You clicked on this video for a reason, to fix Warframe getting stuck on the loading screen and actually get into missions without restarting over and over. I got you. So stick with me. I'll show the fixes that work right now and the ones most players skip. First, force a clean connection. Fully close Warframe, restart your router, or switch networks. Then relaunch the game. Warframe is extremely sensitive to unstable connections, and a bad handshake can trap you on the loading screen indefinitely. Next, clear cached junk. On PC, open the Warframe launcher and use Verify and Optimize. Corrupted cache files after updates are one of the biggest causes of infinite loading, and this fixes it more often than anything else. On console, fully power down the system, not rest mode, then reboot. Now check background apps and overlays. Disable Discord overlay, GPU overlays, screen recorders, and VPNs. These can hook into Warframe during mission load and cause it to hang before the map initializes. If the freeze happens when loading into missions, change your matchmaking region in settings and set ping limits slightly higher. Some regions get overloaded and stall loads, especially during events or updates. Another fix that works fast: switch your display mode to borderless or windowed. Apply, then switch back to full screen. Graphics initialization bugs can lock the load screen even when the game isn't frozen. Pro tip: if Warframe hangs after long sessions, it's memory buildup. Restart the game every few hours during heavy farming or events. It prevents load stalls before they start. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your platform and where it gets stuck, and I'll help you fix it.